Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to cover how to create vertical business card. So right now on the screen, what you are seeing right now, we had created this business horizontal business card in the last video. If you really missed out watching the last video, so you can go and check the description box below down there, where you can find the link of all of the video. So I'm going to create vertical business card out of this one. So let's create how to do it. First, what we have to do is I'm going to copy this. Okay, the standard business card size, I told you it is actually 3.5 to 2 in vertically. So we have to reverse the value. Okay, how to do this? First, take everything aside, so that we can have this artboard on the screen. We have to swap the value in the artboard. So it's gonna be 2 and 2 gonna be 3.5. Okay, this is the vertical size actually. So we have to take all the lines, these three lines. Okay, let's group them and copy, flip them, and make sure these are the center. So let's make them center. So you can see they have been fit properly. So let's take the background. Okay, let's copy this one by holding Alt and drag from mouse. Just okay. So we need to. So first let's extend it to this trim area. Okay, we have the background. Now, so copy this one and rotate it. So let's have it like so, and copy and make it to the center. About the designing, you can create your own designing, whatever in mind. You can go and create. If you really want to do the experiment, you just for the sake of some practice, you can go and check internet. There's tons of business card designing sample. You can play with them. You can create your own. So I'm going to take this, and of course I just want it to be here. Let's make it small. Let's make it small. Now we have to make sure the size of the text is properly, because after printing it should be visible properly. It should be read out. So let's check. Okay, it has been too much small. So let's make it 7. Take it up. That's great. Now take 3 stripes. So it's gonna be look like so. Let's copy that. Okay, make it to center. Select both and group. Make it vertical center. Actually, make this vertical center of this stripe, and this should be even vertical center. Okay. So actually, what's going on? There's an issue. It is going out of the safe area. So I just want these tabs to reside in this safe area. So select all. Okay. Let's check what is the size. 8. So let's have it 7. 7. Select all and replace value with 7. Okay. I think Now it's great. Should be aligned as well. So this has been its front side. Let's deal with the back side. So I'm going to move here. Let me copy it back actually. Let me copy the artboard and design all together. Now I'm taking the design aside and let's move the artboard here and change its value. Okay. Now that's great. Then move here and better to copy from here. Select this one and this one. Copy. And make sure these are in the center of the artboard. Make them center vertically and horizontally and copy this white color. Okay, now select all and make them center. That's great. So here we missed out placing this QR code. So where to place it right now exactly? So I think we found this place perfect. I think that's great. If I come over here and place this here, it will work I think. But I want it to be here. This placement is I think appropriate. So I'm going to match this line up here and match this line up here, and let's make it vertical, extend it. Okay, let's copy this one to the center, X, once again copy and Control X, paste in front, so that could come into the exact front. Okay, and then copy website, make it to the front, horizontally center. Now let's check. It should be, I think 8 will be great. Okay, center. So then you want to add these stripes so we can have it. So copy these 3. I think these will come here and touch here. Control X, paste in front, Control F. Now we need to touch these 3 stripes up to here. So it should be extended totally up here like so. So here we go. We are done with the vertical card designing from the same design. So let's make its presentation. I'm going to copy the last presentation. Okay, so I'm going to delete these 2 cards. Okay, expand this horizontally actually. Copy this one, place here, make it small. Control G is good. Control G group. We don't need these lines. Let's get rid of the lines. Now grab this white background and apply drop shadow effect. Okay, that's great. So let's do the same with this one. We don't need these lines, reference line, and let's bring up here. Let's decrease this side. Okay. Now just select this white background and apply drop shadow. Okay, I think looking good. So this is how you can make your design presentable to the client. So in the last video you may have seen I uh, I had designed horizontally. In this video we had done vertically. So when it's come to show to the client, so you have to send the final file like so. You have to keep extended all the background. So here we need to extend these background. We need to make them touch to here. Also touch here. This one. So this is gonna be the final file, working file, which we will provide to the client. Okay, client will send it to the printing shop. I think we forgot to touch over here. Let's touch it to the bleed line, so that when we don't have such a hollow and blank color over here. Okay. So I hope you understood our procedure of creating vertical design and the horizontal business card design. So you can check my old videos. You can go to my Logoland channel. So there are so many videos might be waiting right now for you to learn. So I'm going to see you in the next video. We are going to learn how to create a letterhead and envelope. Okay, thank you. So if you really want to learn more from my videos, so you can come directly to my Logoland channel. Here so many video might be waiting right now. Okay, these are video I have created on different concept. You can go and learn grid, how to design initial logo with the help of grid concept. You can also learn basic. You can also learn how to create symbol and icon. These are the same symbol and icon I've been using right now in business card and logo letterhead creation. So you can learn how to create these. Even if you really want to learn golden ratio, there's so many videos covering the golden ratio from theoretical to the practical. You can go for this. Even if you want to learn how to create logo from doing sketching on the paper and to the designing logo in Illustrator, you can go and learn from these videos. Okay, there are so many videos covering the same thing. So there's a lot of video might be waiting for you right now, and I request actually go and check this video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video very informative to you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel right now if you didn't subscribe. And do let me know what you have learned from today's video by commenting in the comment box, and also go through my older video in the same series. I'm gonna see you in the next video of mine with new concept. Thank you. Be safe. Bye.